Hi everyone, my name is Phyllis and I'm the owner of Mad Moody Quilting Fabrics. This is a tutorial on the star-cross pattern starting today and running for 6 weeks. It's this pattern. You can see it here in the background, and it is the third quilt in the series of 4-meter quilts that I've been doing. So it's 4 different fabrics, a meter of each. Super simple. So the pattern is a downloadable PDF file. I'll put the link down below so you can check that out. And today we're going to be working on just this center unit right here. I'm just going to switch over to the overhead camera. So I have done some work. I should put myself up in the corner so you can actually see me because I'm talking to the camera and I'm not there. All right, so I have done some work behind the scenes off camera. I have cut all the strips that I need for today and I've sewn them into strip sets. So you were going to take an accent fabric and 2 background strips and sew them together as shown here. Iron to the dark side. Your seams are going to iron to the darker of the 2 fabrics regardless of which way they go. In this case they're going to go into, okay, just like I have here, they're going to go in. So iron them nice, make sure everything is straight and flat, or as flat as one can get. And now I'm just going to cut the units. Where's my ruler? I'm looking for my ruler. So we're just going to go ahead and cut the units. The size of the units are all your sizes are given in the pattern, and the cut sizes, all the instructions on what to do is in the pattern. So please follow the link and check out the pattern and how many you need. I'm just going to cut 2 here to show you how easy it is. And that's it. So there's 2 of the units that I need for this quilt, and we're going to see you next week with the next unit to complete this block. So happy quilting.